Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you will click on Messenger app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will click. You will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that